Hey everybody, I just saw that there's less than 24 hours for you to be able to update your Google Analytics ID, okay? A lot of people or the partners that we have and some around 1,000 BD owners, we've already updated to the new Google Analytics GA4. But I just saw two sites that have not done that yet, and that's why I'm creating the video for you guys. Um, Rick and Rock, here's the video for this and for everybody else that has not done so, and hopefully they'll be able to watch the video today so they can do it themselves. Once you go to the backend, to your backend dashboard, go to General Settings, Integrations. BD did an update here in regards to updating the Google Analytics to GA4. Obviously, for everybody else that did it before BD did this change, you were able to go to Design Settings, custom CSS head, and you would put the actual code here. Okay, that also works. The whole code that Google gives you. So in both places it'll work fine. But if for some reason you have not done so yet, you go to the Google Analytics ID, you click here, and you follow the steps here. It's basically you go to your analytics.google.com account. Again, you need to make sure that you're logging in Like here's one of the cases. They got 16 hours to update this, or else they're gonna have a little issue with the tracking. Okay, especially with the migrating information from the Universal Analytics over to here. Um, so you go here, you make sure that your account here, up here, is the one that is logged in to the analytics account. Okay, then you click up here, okay? And you create the whole process for the site so that analytics can be assigned to this site. So I'm gonna blur this out. Okay, so here we're back in the back end again. You can see that, for example, in my case, I made it so it would not be done already. And what you need to do is you click here, go to Setup Assistant. We click there, and you make sure that one, you are using the proper one here. Okay, so this is the Universal Analytics, which is a wrong one. Let's create a new property. Let's call it Club Plugins. And sure, I don't care about the time. I mean, I don't care about the time. We're meeting one now. Oh, okay. Software. Software now. Internet related. Sure. Okay, so here I would recommend selecting everything except the last one, because if you click that one, it just does this. Get baseline reports, examine user behavior. Like I don't know if this one is actually the sum of this or is it the baseline for them. Typically I just select all this. It's not clear. Then we go to web. Here's the website, and we put, for example, my website, plugins.thedeveloper.club, and the streaming is the developer club plugins. Let's go like that. And we create this stream. Oh, let me double check that. That's the name of my site. Lol. Plugins that do, okay. Plugins, plural. Yep. Okay. We create that one there. We click down here, view tag instructions, and then you get this, okay? So typically what you would do before is you copy this, you just click there, and you go here to settings, design settings, custom CSS head, and you paste that there. But because we now have the, the update from BD, we can actually paste this here, okay? And we're gonna test it. How do we know that this is working here? Okay, after you paste that there, we clear cache, and the quick test is the following. Obviously, you can't have an app blocker or something on your site because you'll automatically end up blocking the analytics. Okay, so that's why I disable mine there. So you go to your site and just click somewhere. Click somewhere that creates content for you. Okay. Okay, I forgot that we put the password thing in here. So let's search for members, for example. Okay, so we're in this page and it's showing members and stuff. Now we click outside. We click outside here where you did this part. Sometimes Google takes a while to actually tell you that they finished. Okay. Migrating from Universal Analytics. This is very important. Okay. Don't mind that it's saying that no data received from your website yet. It's actually started to collect, but I don't know why it takes longer than if you've done this in around 2019, you know what I'm talking about. It was real time around 2019. So yeah, you want to collect everything that you've been collecting before. Yes. What type of property you want to collect from? That one we save, and that's basically creating a relationship between the Universal Analytics that you had before with the GA4 that you have now. And the way that you double check that is you click here, and this, let me close this. This will start updating itself, and you'll see that it's going to be streaming and saying, well, yeah, we got this new streaming instructions that got connected and whatnot. Although, again, it's taking too long to actually refresh. We're going to go to the home now. And why are we going to the home? Because here, if if this is working fine, then I should be able to refresh this page in a live manner. I should be able to see myself here. Now, if this is the first time that you're doing it, you're not gonna show immediately. You gotta wait like something like 30 seconds or something like that. Okay. Here, without me refreshing, I clicked on real time, by the way. I click here on real time. Here, I'm supposed to see myself in a couple of seconds. Again, 2019, 2020, around that time, this was real time, meaning I was on my site. I clicked on, for example, my profile or something, and it would actually tell me on analytics that I'm on that specific page. So what I'm waiting here for is for this to say there's one user on the site and they're coming from Costa Rica. Okay, where I'm actually located. So we just need to wait. I don't know how long this is gonna take. In case it takes too long, what we do is we go to incognito mode because maybe there's something that's still blocking that. Okay, so now we're here. Let's drag this down here. We should be able to see ourselves in a couple of seconds here without me refreshing. You don't. This is a real time. It's using what's called long polling techniques, so you don't have to refresh the page. Similar to Gmail, like you don't need to refresh it. There we go. Beautiful. So okay, so it's saying there's a user. They're from Costa Rica. They're in this specific page, and look, it says the title of that page, Luis Alvarado, chocolate software. Okay, if we go to my profile, the actual title is Luis Alvarado Chocolate Software. If I move to latest news, like if I click here and I go to the blog page, which says software, uh, website, blog articles, oh, what a crappy title. This should update itself. Do know that people that have ad blockers or some security restrictions will never show here, ever, because they're blocking the Google Tag Manager, which is analytics is part of. Sorry, I need to go here and click on something. So let me go to latest news. Okay, there we go. This should now trigger the blog. We should be able to check. Okay, there we go. That's what I want to see. See? So now you're seeing the flow, and it helps you with other stats that you can actually use analytics for. There's a course in regards to analytics, and the process in which you can analyze the flow, the usability. This is directly related. It basically complements itself with the webmaster, okay, or console, however you want to call it, depending on in which year you actually started using those Google tools. And that helps you for marketing, that helps you for SEO tracking, that helps you for forecasting different decisions about your site. Okay, so I hope this video helps and you can see in real time the usability and interaction of users with the site. With that said, big hugs and think positive as always. Bye.